Hello everyone, this is Manish from Skillable India. In this session of geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, we are going to understand about the datum targets. Okay, so we are going to learn and discuss about the datum targets. In the previous session, we have already discussed about the how many datum types are there, what is the datum features are there. Okay, how can we use a feature and feature of size as a datum. Okay, so but in few applications, when we have a raw material as a cast surface or a forged surface or a molded surface, okay, so molded part, then we will not get a planar surface or a cylindrical surface. In that case, how can we use as a datum it as a datum? So in all such applications we have to use something called the datum targets. Okay, so in all such applications we have to use the datum targets. In GD&T, a datum target may be used to specify a point, line, or area on a part to establish a datum. Okay. So I will give you one example. Okay. If I want to bring this part into a stable condition, so first of all, what I will do is I will put this part onto a datum feature. Oh, sorry, datum. Okay. But still you can see that this part is not coming into a stable condition. Okay. So to make this part into a stable condition, what I have to do is I have to provide some points onto this part. Let's say 3 point contact onto this part to bring this part into a stable condition. Okay. So here I have given 3 point contact to come this part into a stable condition. Okay, so to all such applications that to make these part into a stable condition, what we do is uh, first of all, in depth we will go. Okay, so this is sometimes necessary when a part feature is too large or naturally irregular. Okay, so it is already said that when we have to use feature is too large or naturally irregular. Okay, so here I have already given example of a forged surface or cast surface or molded parts. Okay, so in all such applications we use this. So parts are part to create a datum, or when a parts has an irregular contours, part that are cast, forged, or molded often benefits from the use of the datum targets. Okay, so the datum targets is to be place of contact, support of the workpiece for the manufacturing and inspection equipment. Okay, so what actually datum targets are? They are actually the support of contact, which are contacted with the contact with the workpiece. Okay, so how many types of datum targets are there? Datum targets are points. Okay, it can be a line or it can be a area. Okay, so basically three types of datum targets are there. First, considered to be a points, line, and area. Okay, in area can be a circular shape. Okay, this can be a area. It can be a rectangular shape. This is also used as a area, and area can be a square shape also. Okay, so this can also be used as a area. So basically three types of datum targets are there. With the help of example, we will understand that how we provide the point, line, and area onto the engineering drawing to understand easily. Okay, so we will move forward. So I have already told you there are three types of datum targets. First is point datum target, line datum target, and area datum target, which can be a square, circular, or rectangular. Okay. Now this is the symbol we use for the datum targets. Okay. So whenever we are using a point or a line type of datum target, we will use one circle and divide it into a two half. First half will be empty for point. It will be empty for point and line. Okay, in the second part, it will be written A1, X1, Y1, B1, any alpha numerical number. Okay, alpha numeric number any is given for point or line contact. Okay, for area, the same it is the same symbol is denoted. It is divided into two half. The circle is divided into two half. First of all, we will write let's say B1 for the area. In the upper part, let's say the area is a circular. Okay. So circular area has some diameter. Let's say dia 3. Okay. So what will have? I will write over here dia 3. In case it is a square shape. Okay. So I will write over square 3 like this. Okay. So this is how we should write this, the symbol onto the engineering drawing. Okay. Now one by one we will understand about the point, line and area. Okay. And how we can, with the help of these three datum targets, point datum target, line datum target and area datum target, how we make the part in a stable condition. Okay. So in this example, this is a 3D example in SolidWorks. Okay, I will show you in a very detailed manner. Okay, so in this example, you can see this is the example I have taken. So in this is the part. Okay, first of all, I will remove this part from here. Now, here three types of pins you can see. The first type of pin, which is in a pink color and having a spherical surface. Okay, so spherical surface making the point contact. Okay, so whenever it is touching to the surface, it is they are having the point contact. So these three uh, pins having the point contact. Okay, whenever these two pins which are touching the edge of the part. Okay, so these two pins are touching, these two pins are touching the edge. Edge means the edge of the part. Okay, the side of the part. So they are making the line contact. Okay, and these two pins, this pin and this pin, is making the area contact. Okay, so this whole area, the top surface, full top surface is touching the part. Okay, now I will make the part visible and trying to make you understand that how all this is happening. Okay, so this is the part. Now you can see, first of all, we will see about the point contact. So I will make this part transparent. Okay, so you can see in this that this part is touching the point contact, having this part with the part. Okay, so with the part, these 3 point is touching. So it means this is the point target, datum point target. Sorry, point datum target. Okay, so in this you can see these three pins making this part in a stable condition. Okay, so already we understand that with the 3 to 1 principle that minimum 3 points are required for the primary datum to make the part in a stable condition. Okay, now we will understand the line contact. Now till now we have understand about the point contact, that to make this part in a stable condition we are making the point contact. Okay, now what is the line contact? When the pin is touching the side at a line. Okay, so you can see that this line is this point is touching over here. Okay, so if we see from this view, okay, so from this view you can see that this is the line, this pin is touching at this line, this part. Okay, so this whole line is touching this part. Similarly, in this case also, this part, this pin is touching the part from this side. Okay, if we will see into this side, so you can see this is the part touching at this point. Okay, so in this blue, this pin is touching this part in this whole line. Okay, so this is the line datum target. Okay, this is the line datum target. First of all, we have understood about the point datum target. In this condition, one point is touching uh, the part, points are touching the part. Okay, in this, the line making this part in a stable condition, touching at 2 points. Okay, now now we will understand the third one, which is the area. Okay, so these two areas are touching the whole part, whole circular area. Okay, so you can see that this part is touching the whole area, not the point, not nor line. It is touching full area. Okay, so the part from the bottom it is stable with the area. Okay, so as many as area we want, as per the requirement, we can use the datum target area to stabilize the part. Okay, so this is how, this is the three ways. It can be a square shape area also, rectangular area also, to make this part stable. So however we use, so this is just an example to showcase that if I want to make this part into a stable condition. Okay, so how we can make this part into a stable condition? With the help of point contact, with the help of line contact, and with the help of area contact. Okay, so this is the area which is touching the part from the bottom. Okay, so if we want to make this part, so there these are three datum targets, three types of datum targets to make the part into a stable condition. Okay, this is all about the this. Now we will understand with the help of engineering drawing. Okay, so here these are whenever there is a point contact. Okay, so point contact in terms of so I will make one line over here. So you can see, okay, sorry. Okay, so you can see in this example that these are the 3 points. Okay, so this is the point, this point, and one more point is there. So this is the point, this 1 point, 2 point contact, 3 point contact. So here A1, A2, and A3 is shown by the point contact. A1, A2, and A3 is shown by the point datum target. Okay, these 2 points, B1 and B2, are the line. This is the line contact and this is the line contact. Okay, so in this case B1 and B2 are used as a line datum targets. You can see that the upper part of the circle is empty. Okay, in this case whenever we use the point datum target or the line datum target, the upper part of the circle will be empty. Only in case of the area, you can see these two examples, C1 and C2, where we have used the datum targets. If I will make, sorry, so you can see this, that these 2 points, one over here and one over here, we have used the area datum target. So in area datum targets, we are using the dia 5 mm, which is showing by this symbol. Okay, so these two, in this upper is the area, in this also area is showing. Okay, C1 and C2 is the number of this datum targets. Okay, so here in this condition, C1 and C2 are used as the area datum targets. I hope that you have the now the better idea about the datum targets, how we use the datum targets to make our part into a stable condition. And basically, when we use this for the in the case of poached part, casted part, or the molded part, we use these type of datum targets to make the part into a stable condition to do a machining onto the surface. Okay, so this is all about the datum targets. If you have any confusion, please write it down in the notes. We will definitely going to come up with the solution. Okay, so this is all about datum targets. Thank you. Thanks a lot.